All right. What's up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Super excited for today's video. Coming at you with an update on BLOKTOPIA, ticker symbol BLOK, breaking things down on the daily time frame as always. Now, there's some important things going on. All right. You may be confused by all these series of, yellow lines. I'll explain those in a second. All right. But one of the main things I want to cover is the bullish divergence that we initially had, right? Where we have these lows, then these lower lows and lower lows. But if you look on the RSI, which this is your relative strength index, it's going to show you the relative strength of a token at its given price. And it's actually been increasing, right? So at all of these points where we have these lower lows, we have a low, we have a higher low, we have higher lows right here as well. We got another higher low, and we really haven't retested this trend line in a very long time. So if Blocktopia continues to head lower, I'm going to be looking to see, does this thing bounce off of the RSI bullish divergence trend line, or potentially does this thing break? Now, if we zoom in a little bit more, right, we can see that even now currently we have some bullish divergence, on our chart right now, right? So I'll go ahead and draw that for you guys real quick. I have a low here, right? And then we have lower lows over here. But when we look at our relative strength index, we have a low, and then we have these higher lows as well. So, we do have a little bit of bullish divergence. All right. And if we do get a pop, these are going to be some of the major resistance levels that we really need to pay attention to. 0.003279, 0.00360, and 0.003921. The reason being is those are the major Fibonacci retracement levels, right? The 61.8, the 50%, and the 38.2. So let me zoom out a little bit and show you guys how to use these. So essentially what these do is these are going to measure for you guys, right, the major retracement levels. And nothing moves in a straight line down and nothing moves in a straight line up, right? Rather, what you get is you get moves down, retracement continuation lower, or a move up, retracement continuation higher. So you can use them to identify trend continuation. Like here, we moved up, we retraced, and we didn't hold the 61.8% retracement level. And so we actually started a reversal and headed back down, retesting some of our previous lows in the regions that we had. And over here, we got a reversal as well, right? So we had to move down, we came up to our major retracement levels, and then we consolidated and broke through, right? So, what we're looking for now, all right, if we do get a move up, all right, we've had this really strong move down, right? So we have our new swing high up here connected down to our new swing low. And if we do get a retracement, this is all healthy retracement territory. And we need to consolidate and break through here and flip 0.003921 up to from resistance to support to really continue going higher. But if we come up to these levels, these are going to be areas where you want to be very cautious, right? And you want to protect your profits if you're in some type of a trade, because if we're not going to be able to break up above those, there's a strong chance that we could end up continuing the downtrend, right? So really, those are the major levels that I'm paying attention to right now currently. You can take a look when we had this much larger scale move down, right? So I'll show you guys, right? We had the swing high up here. We had a big wave down. We retraced and we came right up to the 61.8 and we weren't able to break through, and we've started trending back downwards once again. So, it's going to be real interesting to see what happens with Blocktopia. Essentially, if we break through, there's a small demand zone right here that I'll draw in for you guys. And essentially, if we break through this area, then most likely we're going to retest some of our previous lows. And that area is going to be right around 0.002392, all right, all the way down to 0.002245. If we do break through there, there's a strong chance that we're going to head down to this demand zone right in over here. Let me draw that for you guys. Right in through this area is going to be, the next level of interest to the downside. All right. So we're looking to see, we bounced once here, we bounced twice here. We're consolidating right now. We're looking to see if we can get some type of upward movement for a healthy retracement. Otherwise, if we break below those levels, we're going to test that demand zone down below. And the levels there are about 0.001888 down to about 0.001736. So that's pretty much it for Blocktopia and really all of the things that I'm looking at. If you appreciated this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'm out.